He's just friendly.
I feel bad. Maybe we should take his collar off. He's gonna poke him in the eye or something.
Yeah. That's funny that he knows to be all gentle. With the big dogs, he's a terror. He bites their face and everything.
Yeah, he chews the crap out of Cole and Sahara, and they open their mouth to play with him. They can fit his whole head in their mouth,
and they don't bite.
They don't bite.
Wow.
Well, they're huge. There's about the same size difference between them two right now.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. He's like doing rollovers.
Careful, Gurr.
He's getting mad.
Oh, wish.
Gurr is or Mario? Gurr. He got the anger eye. Saw it.
It's like, I'm done playing, pup.
Oh. She's gonna throw your whole body on him.
Oh.
He gets tangled in his...
He thinks he's playing tug of war.
The dog's tough. He gets hurt and just
like
keeps
a
going.
squeak toy, huh?
Where'd she go? Hiding out?